So there's two ways to describe motion of this thing using, say, the R, which is the 1/3 rotation, and the S, which you could think of as switch, or S I might think of as sky blue and red, R is red. You can use space coordinates. So in space coordinates, what happens is I fix a point in space, this where right here, this red point, and all rotations rotate all of 1/3 of a rotation counterclockwise about that. Fix the blue point, and all rotations, all sky rotations, do 180 degree or 1/2 rotation about. And when I'm writing these, the one that I do first actually on the right of a list. So if I write down SR, that means that I do R first and then S. So if I did a 1/3 rotation of our Guardian's ship from here, it would come across a triangle with a back like this where the laser pointer is. And if I rotate that, a 1/2 rotation centered on that blue point, that's going to move it to the opposite side of the diagonal here. Seems like there may be a question. Is there a question on what by space coordinates? I
I think we're
can't.
good.
You're good? Okay. And so, as opposed to doing space coordinates, which would be good if you were like a control tower and you were monitoring where the spaceships were traveling from afar, if you were in the spaceship, you would probably want to do something like look at body coordinates. And so, if you're looking at body coordinates, you're always doing rotations and things relative to the ship. And so when the ship moves, the possible motions move. And so the red rotation is always at the front of the ship, and the blue rotation, the sky colored rotation, is always at the back. And in this case, we reverse the order. The one, it goes left to right the way you read. So when I write R first, that means that I am doing the red rotation or the 1/3 rotation first, and then the S means that I do that sky or the 1/2 rotation second, which you see that if I rotate the Guardians about that red point, they'll end up across here. And then when and the blue point moves to where you see it here. And then when you do a 180 rotation, it'll land where this pink thing is. And so my question now to you is, I'm going to propose that we use body coordinates when we talk about things. And, whoops, you weren't supposed to see that. I wanted you to see, what did you find?